Hello, can I get you to unmute yourself? Hello. On the phone? Yeah. Press star six. Sir, can you press stars? There you go.
Hello?
Hi, can I get your first and last name?
Yes, Reginald Boyd, Boyd.
Okay. So I've got you checked in for court. I'm going to put you back into the waiting room until it's your turn to speak with the judge. Um, just don't hang up, okay? Or you won't be able to get back in.
Okay.
Okay, Judge, are you ready?
Yeah, it finally went live, so we're set.
Okay, you are.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so
Hello?
hi.
Hello?
Okay, the judge is about to get back on the line. So if we can just be silent for a little bit, he's going to read y'all's rights, and then we're going to put you all back into the waiting room and bring you in one by one till it's your turn to speak to the judge. So he will be
Okay.
now, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
My name is Lance Consino. I'm Justice of the Peace here in Precinct 4. And this is a guilty plea hearing this morning. So you will be marking on the form that you have been sent whether you are pleading guilty, not guilty, or no contest. And that's what we'll do first and foremost. Do not tell me anything about the case, about your case, until we have gone through that process. If you put not guilty on that, then you will visit with the DA, see if you can make a deal. And if you're simply pleading either guilty or no contest, then we'll hear your case and we'll present you with your fine.
Okay.
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 Now, what we need to do is to swear everyone in. This is a court session, and so everyone who will be speaking to me will be under oath. So everyone, if you'll raise your right hand, please. You solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I swear to say the truth, nothing but the truth, swear to God.
Yes, just agree to that, affirm that.
Yes.
I agree.
Yes. Okay.
I agree.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Fucking mute. Okay, so I was talking to everybody in mute. So I'm gonna bring in the hot check one first. It's gonna be 2018-701-068.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, Yolanda.
Yes.
We're now on with the judge. Okay.
Okay.
Good morning, Yolanda.
Good morning.
Let's see. How are you pleading this morning?
Guilty.
You're pleading guilty, okay. Have you marked that on your sheet there?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And then you've put your correct address and phone number. That's extremely important because if we can't contact you, then a warrant would go out for your arrest, even though I see that your checks are paid in full. So,
Okay.
okay, so make sure that that is completed accurately and sent back to the clerk, and that you've marked that and signed it. Okay, and since your checks are paid in full, I'm going to assess a $50 fine and court costs. And that is your sentence this morning.
Okay. And where can I pay that?
You'll pay that to the court here. So if you'll come down to the courthouse or make arrangements with the clerk to make the payment, you can do it by credit card, etc. And if you need a payment plan, you'll need to come down here and set the payment plan up.
Okay, Judge. And then, okay, it's a $50 fine, and then the court calls, how much is that going to be?
Our clerk will let you know exactly what those are.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Yolanda, if you can give us a call back at 775-1541, and Savannah will speak with you regarding how you can take care of that fine.
Okay, can you give me the number, repeat the number again, Mija?
Yes, 806-775-1541.
1541?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in Savannah. Okay, I'll talk to her then.
Great, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Is that it?
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Bye-bye now.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, guys, the next one we're gonna do is, so we're gonna reset that one. 2020-290-165 for Gage Gonzalez. Okay, Gage, can you unmute yourself? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you are now on with the judge, okay?
Yes, Mr. Gonzalez.
Yes, sir.
The charge this morning is open container in the vehicle. How will you be pleading on that?
Not guilty.
You're pleading not guilty, so you want to visit with the DA about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have that form in front of you? Okay. Have you filled that out?
No, I've not filled it out yet. Do I still send it in?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes. You
okay.
will mark on there not guilty. You'll
Mhm.
put your correct address and phone number where you can actually be contacted, because if we can't contact you, a warrant would actually go out for your arrest. So,
Okay.
and then you'll make arrangements with our clerk and she'll let you know how to contact the DA.
Okay, I will mail that out today then.
Yes.
I'm not sure how this all works, so.
Okay, just mark on there, not guilty, and make arrangements to get that back to the clerk. And the clerk will, our clerk Cindy will visit with you now.
Okay, Gage, since you pled not guilty, you need to contact our district attorney's office, our DA's office, sorry, for David. He will speak with you now. It won't be through Zoom. You can just call him through the phone.
Okay.
His number is going to be 806 775
806-775-1157.
1157. He's going to
Okay.
offer or plea offer with you regarding this case, okay? Just
Okay,
letting him
thank
know you had court this morning, you pled not guilty.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, next one is 2020-290-197. Liliana.
7.
Hello, Miss Castillo.
Yes.
Okay, you are now on with the judge, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Miss Castillo.
Good morning.
The charge this morning is possession of drug paraphernalia.
Yes, sir.
How will you be pleading on that?
Guilty.
You're pleading guilty this morning. Do you have
Yes.
that form in front of you? The guilty plea form that was sent to you?
Yes, sir. I do know what form you're talking about. I haven't gotten it in. I moved to Austin, so my mom mailed it to me. I should be getting it in today, but I do know that I need to be sending that in to y'all.
Okay. Our clerk can make arrangements if we need to, but that sounds like you'll have that under control. You'll need,
Yes.
of course, to mark guilty on that, put your correct phone number and address
Okay.
where we can actually contact you,
Okay.
because otherwise a warrant would go out for your arrest. So
Correct.
make sure that that is accurate.
Okay.
And since you have pled guilty, you are pleading guilty. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. That's correct.
Okay. Then tell me about the case. How did you come? How did this come about?
I was driving home and I got a loud hair up my butt and I was speeding. So I got pulled over. My car smelt. So the officer checked my car and he found pretty much just paraphernalia, no drugs in there. And we went from there.
Why was there paraphernalia in your vehicle?
I was in the process of moving from my parents' house. Well, I was in the process of going from my apartment that I was moving out of into my parents' house. And so I had everything like still in my car, which I told him that I would take it out as soon as I got home because he pulled me over like a few houses down from my parents' house. So I did end up taking everything out of my car and I haven't had anything in there since.
Okay. Are you a regular user?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What we're concerned about here is having that obviously in the vehicle, and thus
Yes.
usage obviously when you're driving is a gigantic no-no. Okay?
Right. Correct. Yes,
And
sir.
causes tremendous devastation and can cost you a huge amount in court and a life sentence also. I mean, in terms of the effect on your life.
Yes, correct.
So the thing that we look at there is as public safety, and that's why we're concerned about that. Okay.
Yes, yeah, definitely. Of course.
So basically, I would like you to. I'm going to assess a $250 fine plus the
Okay.
court costs, and I'm going to require a drug awareness class because I think it's a good idea for you to be aware of the potential damage that this can do in your life and the lives of others.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll let you visit with the clerk about how to handle this.
Okay. Is this something that I could handle over the phone, or would I have to physically go to Lubbock?
Visit with the clerk about that, and she'll let you know all the details.
Okay, perfect.
Theo, what you'll need to do, so it looks like he fined you $250 plus court cost.
Mm-hmm.
So you can contact me back in about 30 minutes at 775-1546. And I will
Okay.
let you know how you need to take care of the fine and your class. I'm just
Okay.
sending the report real quick and then I'll let you know.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you let me know that number one more time?
Yes. 806-54. I mean, sorry. Yeah. 806-775-1546.
1546. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Our next one is 2021-290-014. For Isaac out. Hello, Isaac.
Ma'am?
Okay, you are now on with the judge, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see, Isaac, still looking for your 014.
2021.
Oh, okay, it's 2021. Okay, there we go. Mr. Aguilar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the charge is minor in possession of the, let's see, how old are you, sir?
I'm 18, sir.
You're 18, okay. So when did you turn 18?
Last year, 9/11/2002.
9/11 on 2002, and okay. So you were picked up on this what date?
I can't remember. Sorry about that.
Okay. Look this up.
Yes, sir. Actually,
Isaac, have you been in trouble before with the law?
Uh, yes, sir. I've gotten a recent car accident as well, but over there in Lubbock, but it wasn't my fault. Some other lady hit me in the back. She rear-ended me. But other than that, that's about it.
When that happened, there wasn't any other charge against you in that, I mean, there wasn't any drug paraphernalia or anything that was found in your vehicle or anything like
No,
that.
sir.
Okay. How are you pleading this morning?
Not guilty.
You're pleading not guilty, so you want to visit with the DA.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that sounds good. Then if you, do you have that form in front of you?
I do not. It's over there in Lubbock right now, and I'm in Sinton, Texas right now.
Okay, well, you'll need to visit with our clerk about that. You'll need to mark not guilty. You'll need to put your correct address and phone number where you can actually be contacted. Because if we can't contact you, a warrant will go out for your arrest.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if you'll visit with our clerk, Cindy, she'll let you know how to visit with the DA about this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so Isaac, I'll need you to call our DA, and work out an offer with him. Do you have a pen and paper?
1 second, please. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, 806-775-1157.
806. What else?
775
775
1157.
57.
And you're gonna speak with David, and he's going to make an offer with you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so the next one we're gonna do is 2020-290-204.
Oh, Cindy, just a moment on that one. Why was there why was he actually not diverted? Did he have another?
No, I asked him, and he didn't want to. He wanted to plead not guilty.
Okay. Okay.
That was his. So our next one is the paper I handed you loosely was 2020-290-204 for Brandon.
What was that again?
It's that one paper I handed you in the office.
Oh, okay.
204. Okay.
Okay.
It's for Brandon. Hi, Brandon.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're now on with the judge.
Okay.
Good morning, Brandon.
Morning.
The charge is possession of drug paraphernalia. How will you be pleading this morning?
Guilty.
You'll be pleading guilty. Okay. Do you have that form in
Yes.
front of you?
Yes.
If you'll mark on there your guilty plea, mark where it
Okay.
says guilty there, and then put your correct address and phone number. It's very important because if we don't have your correct address and phone number, a warrant will go out for your arrest.
Okay.
So make sure that that's accurate where you can actually be contacted. And since you have pleaded guilty this morning, let me ask you about the situation. The charge, of course, possession of drug paraphernalia. What
Yes, sir.
what was the situation? How did this happen?
I was going on my way to work, and I live in Littlefield, so I was late, so I was speeding a little bit, and I got pulled over, and he asked me if I had anything. Told him I had some roaches, and that was pretty much it. He searched the car, got my roaches, and then I was on my way.
All right. Are you a regular user?
No, not anymore.
What changed your mind?
Job. I got a better job.
Okay. Let's see. Your birth date is 9/23. So you are still 20 years old. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Were you talked to about the diversion program? Is that an option for you, or have you had trouble in the past with the law?
No, I haven't had any trouble really with the law, sir.
You've never had a charge other than a traffic ticket. You've never had a charge related to anything like this, or any drug or alcohol violation.
Just the drug paraphernalia. That's it. Just another one. That's it.
Oh, you had a drug paraphernalia before this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Okay. So how long ago did you stop using?
About 4 months ago.
About 4 months ago. Has it been tough?
At first it was. I'm not gonna lie,
Okay.
but it's worth it in the long run.
Okay. Since you've stopped and are making some headway, I'm going to reduce your fine. I'm going to make it $100 plus court costs. But I am going to require a drug awareness class because I think it may be helpful to you
Okay.
to continue your progress, and that's very good. I'd like to see you continue in that direction.
Okay. Yes, sir. Anything?
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
our clerk Cindy will visit with you about how to handle all of this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. If I can get you to call my office back in about 30, 40 minutes, I'll let you know how you need to take care of the fine and the court costs. And
Okay.
then, do you have my number? It's 806-775-1546.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I got it. Okay. Thank you.
30 minutes. Oh, great. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Our last one is going to be 2020-290-203. Reynold Boyd. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Good morning.
Okay, you are now on
Yes.
the stage.
Okay.
Okay, 203. Okay, and this is Mr. Reginald Boyd.
Yes.
Okay. The charge is public intoxication. How will you be pleading on that this morning?
Guilty.
You'll be pleading guilty on that. Okay. Do you have that form that you were sent in front of you?
I haven't got no forms at all.
Okay.
I haven't received it through the mail at all.
Okay, what you'll need to do, how did you know about the hearing this morning?
My mom's people called me when I called them because I have to call them once a week, and they told me to call the number they gave me to y'all.
Okay, all right. What you'll need to do is you'll need to visit with our clerk in a few minutes to get a copy of that form so that you can mark guilty on it. You'll need to put your correct address and phone number. Make sure that it's an address and phone number where you can actually be contacted, because if we can't contact you, a warrant for your arrest will go out.
Okay.
Okay. Now, since you are pleading guilty this morning, tell me about the situation. How did this come about? What caused this public intoxication charge?
It was just I was hanging out with a friend, and we was drinking and everything, and while I was walking away, we was just walking in the streets, and then the cops saw me and saw him, and they talked to us.
Where were you at?
It was passing Texas Tech. It wasn't on Texas Tech, but it was like passing like on the sidewalk on Texas Tech.
Right. Okay. Where had you been drinking?
Yes.
Where had you been drinking?
Oh, I was just we was at a friend's house, and then we was walking and just walking around.
Okay, you were at a friend's house and then you walked onto the tech campus?
No, I wasn't walking on Texas. It was like walking past it, but it was like the Texas Tech police was there, and they, how they drive around, and they seen us.
I see. Okay. And you were pretty intoxicated.
Oh yeah, I would say that. Yes.
Are you? Do you regularly drink?
No, I just drink like probably like once a week, because I work like 6 days a week. So yeah, it's probably like once a week.
Okay. On this once a week, do you generally get pretty high?
Yeah, when I'm off, yeah, I do get like I get kind of drunk. Yes.
Okay. So
But it's mostly at home. That day was just I was doing to a friend's house, went out for once.
Okay. All right. How long have you been employed?
The job I have right now has been 8 months.
8 months. Okay. What do you do?
I'm a dishwasher.
You're a dishwasher. What restaurant?
Stella's.
At Stella's. Okay.
Yes.
I like Stella's.
Yeah. It's good
So
food.
you work there, and things seem to be going pretty well for you there.
Yes. Yes, they love me there.
Okay, well, that's good. The difficulty that we have anytime there's a public intoxication charge is, of course, the danger that you put yourself in and that you put other people in. And
Yes.
so this is something that that we take very seriously. I don't just fine individuals just for the fun of it, and I want you to understand that it's
Okay.
designed to try to cause a change in your behavior, to make you more careful, and
Yes.
to make you consider, what you're doing, especially ahead of time, to make preparations. If you're going to get drunk, then you'd better do that always at home, where you're not going anywhere and where no one is going to entice you. Oh, let's
Yeah.
go out.
Since that night, I've been doing that. I've just been drinking at home when I'm off. I don't go out no more.
Okay. Well, I'm going to assess a $150 fine plus the court
Okay.
costs, because I want there to be some cost involved to you to again cement this in your brain that that this is not the way to do it. I'm also going to require an alcohol awareness class, because I think it would be helpful to you again to reinforce this. You're 35. I mean, there's no you're 30, almost 36, and
Yeah.
there's not really a reason for for this to be going on at this late state, and it could potentially cause other people injury. So I'm gonna be sure that you get that alcohol awareness class, and that you to help you cement your resolution to not do anything like this again.
Right.
Okay. And if you'll visit with our clerk, please.
Okay.
Okay. Reno, I just need you to call my office in about 30 minutes, and I'll let you know how to take care of the fee and the class. Okay.
Okay. What's the number?
806-775-1546.
Okay. It's call right now.
I'm calling you in about 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay. We are all done.
All done, huh? All right. I'll mark the rest of these.